Hey everybody, it's Page Profile here, and welcome back to more Let's Play Donkey Kong Country Returns. In last episode we beat levels 3 and 5 and 3 and 6, and now we're moving on to 3K, Shifty Smashers, one of my favorites. So, one thing about the Donkey Kong temples that I didn't notice until I watched a YouTube video about it, was that these are dedications to, like, it's basically religious temples about Donkey Kong. See? There's like a bunch of Donkey Kong stuff from like the first original Donkey Kong. It's awesome. I didn't know that though. Look at that one at the top. He's happy with the hat. oh no. That's the one mistake I make in this temple, is that like I see an opening, I try and go for it, and end up getting smushed. Diddy Kong's hat went through the video game logic, man. Video game logic. Okay. I just gotta beat the temple, and then I gotta beat the boss, and then I'll move on to what is, in my personal opinion, the best world in the game. I don't know why, I just love it. I love it so much. Except for one level. One level I hate. I hate so much. But that's only because it's difficult. If it wasn't difficult, then I wouldn't have a problem with it. No! No! Oh, thank goodness. I thought I was done for. Oh no, there goes Diddy. There goes my last remaining hope. Oh, and I didn't notice the. Oh. I didn't notice that some of the painting on the walls is actually the pipe things from the original Donkey Kong as well. God, this whole entire these temples are the best thing ever. I tried, and that's all that matters. Okay. Come on, just get up, come on, mark it down with the signals. Oh no, I hate this so much. Please, no. Oh, yes, I did it. Oh. I grabbed the white ball. Yes, that makes 3. And now we move on to the boss of World 3. And it's like, what, episode 14, 15? I'm probably way off count. But let's do it. Boss 3B, Ruined Roost. But you can't guess what this boss is gonna be. It's only been 3 minutes. Gee willikers. I do not like this guy. But he's like one of the only bosses that reminds me of Donkey Kong Country for the SNES for some weird reason. Ow, I hurt myself. No. But this boss is easy if you know how to beat him. It just takes a little bit. Grab it. Grab it. No, I missed. No, you killed Diddy. I can never seem to win a single boss without Diddy. Oh, there you go. Move, we're out of the way. Now he's gonna charge at me. Oh, or he's gonna send out a nuke. Come on. Why are you throwing them all the way over there? Did I do it? Nope. I didn't do it. Oh god, he's gonna. I got hit anyway. Oh, now he sends down all this. Are you? No. Okay. What? Oh, I almost just entered it without Diddy. Let's just. Can we move on? Can we skip? Thank you. I only like to do that once for dramatic effect. Okay, maybe if I didn't mess up like last time, maybe I could get this. No. Okay. I thought I was gonna hurt myself physically. Oh boy. There. I hurt you, but it costed me a heart. So what was the point? Oh, that's Luke. Why are these guys just chewing in the background? Oh, heart, heart, yes! That was close. That was close. I'm trying to focus, so sorry if I'm not talking. Aw, that was so close. Oh, really? See, this is why I don't like you, boss. Unbelievable. Oh! I thought that counted. Come on, I was so close. There we go. Can't even see the time on it. Jeez. Still hurts. Still hurts the old buys and tries. I got 21 hits. I watched my first boss battle video, and I noticed that it just skipped me hitting him over and over again. Just skipped straight to punching him into non-existence. Yeah! Ah, yes! Ah, my favorite world. World 4. The caves. Look at its purpley-ish background. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. My favorite worlds are usually the ones that are coming up after the beginning of the game. Oh, another awesome thing about this game that I didn't actually point out is that whenever you move to a different world, it's like transitions. Like what happened just now. It switched from the plains all the way to the caves, which is about ready to. And it's cool. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Blow it up. Okay. Now all the levels in this world are non-walking levels. I'm being 100% honest when I say that. Like right now, it's just walking and walking and walking. But for right now, it's not. Oh, and I hate these types of minecart levels. Because those types of minecart levels, you aren't in the minecart. So you're kind of lighter when jumping. Which I don't like. Because it makes me feel like I don't have to have that much control. Did I do it? No! Get back here. Yeah, that's right. Do stay with me. We're actually, once I make it to World 4, I start thinking to myself, I'm making a lot of progress in this game, and I'm probably going to be done with it soon. That sucks. Which is, well, I'm actually quite true about that, too, because there's only 8 worlds in this game. Unless I'm lying to you. Maybe. Come on. Oh, look at Diddy Kong just being awesome. He's basically doing the same thing I'm doing. It's just that he's cooler. Did I just beat the level? Oh. Catch. And... Meow. I did it, guys. I'm popular now. Right? Right? I'm cool. I'm too cool for school, guys. That's so cool I am. It's so cool that even in June it feels like winter. That's how cool. I'm just gonna stop talking now. Yeah! We did it. Now, with Super Mario Sunshine, that game I didn't complete 100%. But that was only because I didn't know how to edit, and it would have taken forever just to find all the blue coins. So what I may end up doing is I may end up just beating the final boss for you. I owe you guys that much. But with this game, it's very easy to complete. So I'm gonna be trying to 100% this game, but I'm not gonna go over and do the levels in the 3DS version. No. Not happening. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know. But we'll see. But that's gonna do it for this episode, alright guys? So we started World 4, and I'm excited to continue the rest in 4-2 Grip and Trip and 4 through 3 Bombs Away. See you guys in the next episode.